Authentik versus Authelia. Let's start with Authentik. Authentik is a modern open source identity provider designed for self-hosted environments. It offers a comprehensive suite of features including single sign-on, multi-factor authentication, and integration with protocols like OpenID Connect, SAML, and LDAP. Now, Authelia is a lightweight authentication and authorization server that acts as a reverse proxy, providing SSO and two-factor authentication's capabilities. It's designed for simplicity and security, making it ideal for home lab setups and users seeking a straightforward solution to their project and protect their web applications. Now, let's talk about Authentic first. Now, for its pros, it offers comprehensive protocol support, user-friendly interface, customizable authentication flows, which allows for tailored authentication processes, and it has integrated user directory, which combines identity and access management with a built-in user directory. Now, Authelia is and offers lightweight, efficient, and consumes minimal system resources. It also has a simple configuration. It has a strong security feature, and it has a large active community support. Now, for the downside though, let's talk about its cons. Now, Authentic for its cons, it requires a huge amount of resource requirements. It is also has a complex setup, and they have limited documentation. Now for Atelier, they have limited protocol support, no web-based admin UI, and basic user management. Now, which one should you choose? Now, choose Authentic if you require a feature-rich identity provider with comprehensive protocol support, and choose Atelier if you're looking for a lightweight, efficient solution to secure your self-hosted applications with SSO and MFA.